Lestari from Muhammadiyah Surakarta University. In here, I can explain about my topic, analysis of mathematics reflective thinking with a STEM on static materials for high school students. Introduction. Reflective thinking of students is able to explain problem solving, relate the information they get to problem at hand, make consideration before being confident in solving the problem, realize mistakes and correct them, believe in the truth of the solution of the problem. The ability to think is related to learning with the STEM approach. STEM as a learning approach is a means for students to create ideas based on science and technology through thinking, exploring activities, and solving problems. Research method. 1. Research subject. The study was conducted in Surakarta with 3 students from grade 12 at SMA 2 Surakarta. Number 2. Research instrument and data collection techniques. In addition to the research as the main instrument, this student used instrument expert, namely lecturer in the field of mathematics education from Muhammadiyah University, have validated the instrument, and the interview were conducted by grade 12 student. Number 3. Data analysis techniques. Data validity using research triangulation is becoming data from interview with teacher and questionnaires of study needs. Result and discussion. Feature number 1. So the students can identify and explain the question and reason given by explaining what is known and the conclusion in the answer to question number 1. But figure 2. Students have not been able to analyze the explain in question number 2 and conclude answer the question. This is supported by the result of interview that students have not been able to convey the reason for the possible conclusion that are known on the question that the student concerned have difficult applying in detail which ones should be used critically in presenting data with the STEM approach. Students have not been able to identify problems in the question. Figure 3 and Figure 4 so the student can identify the possible answer to which question are line frequency distribution tables but haven't so analyzing reflective thinking skill in solving problems. This is supported by the result of interview that the student concerned have difficulty applying and explaining which one should be used to describe individual problems in the question. Students can only apply the STEM approach with technology and mathematics for learning by linking problem solving with identifying object as request in question with concept of science, engineering, and arts. Figure 4, Figure 5 and Figure 6 so the student can identify object in the problem in the by explain what is known when what is asked to solve the problem in the answer to question number 1 and number 2. Students can imagine objects when viewed from different viewpoints have been explained perfectly. The interview showed the students are still hesitant to explain their conclusion in answer number 2. Students have been able to apply the STEM approach to science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics for learning by linking problem solving with identical object as except for question with concept. And discussion from the table present result, 3 subjects have indicated the ability think reflectively with the STEM approach. The first and third subject have categories and rating, comparing, contemplating, reflective thinking, and solving statistical problem using the STEM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics approach. The difference is an essential aspect of student thinking ability. The expression, reflective, and inquiry model of teacher education work enriching student-teacher critical analysis includes self-evaluation and improvement. A similar statement was made that mathematical reflective thinking is still rarely practiced by teachers and developed for the